And welcome back to another episode here on the pig farm. It is the next day now, and as you can see, we've got rain forecast coming here. So we Nathan said he's already out harvesting, and yeah, brought the truck back. So we'll get going on our way, and yeah. So yeah. All right, just got here to the field. We'll see how Nathan's doing, and if he needs us to get them unloaded, but it doesn't look like he needs to be unloaded, so we will park between these two swaths, and we'll start baling today too. So yeah, I guess we'll leave that on, and we'll go warm up the baler here, warm up the tractor that's on the baler. So yeah. Yeah, let's get going. Just finishing up the headlands here. Got 2 bales out of that, so we will get started on the rows, and I don't think Nathan needs. He's over there, so I don't think he needs any unloading or anything. So yeah, we'll continue here, and yeah. All right. How's Nathan doing? Beautiful. All right. It's kind of the situation where it kind of sucks, but we'll make the best of it. This wheat is not yielding as good, and we are full. It's not yielding as good. Like, I'll have to do some tuning up before we start on the corn and beans, because I haven't really checked if it's been any seeds out, but I don't think it's doing its thing. So we'll have to check some of these swaths here, see if it's letting out some seeds. But yeah, in the meantime, I think we'll just deal with it, and yeah. So alright, ran back here. Nathan's full, and I think we'll go unload this. So yeah, just unload it, and yeah. In the meantime, we will check if it's been any seeds out here. This stuff is seeded pretty heavily. Let's check I'm not sure. It looks fine to me. Yeah, I think it's fine. I don't think it's a good weed crop though, so maybe it got hailed on. I don't know, but yeah, well, we'll get a full truck here, I think, and he'll continue on. Hopefully, finish his field, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we get back to the yard. All right, just got back to the yard. They're set up. I think it's ready, so we'll try not to run the bean crop over. That's the thing, because I think we'll have a good bean crop this year, so yeah. Or soybeans, whatever, but I think we'll have a good crop of them, so yeah. we will the 40-40. She's in. Alright, let's dump her. First wheat going in the bins. That's something. Yeah, I wonder if we could feed this to our pigs, because it's not a good crop to sell, so I think we'll just use this for feed. They'll all smash up, and yeah, I'm not sure, we'll have to do some tuning to that harvester before we do any other crops, so yeah. Yep, this is a nice farm king auger. I like it. We have one in real life, so yeah, it's good. Alright, we'll see you guys when we get back to the field. Nathan just finished this field, and well, while we were loading, so he says he head down to the other field and has gotten started on that. So we'll finish baling up here, and we'll yeah, continue around baling. Alright, just got done baling these two fields. Got 7 out of all of them. So we'll head down here, we'll park tractor and probably go load those, grab the truck and go load those bales up onto the trailer. So yeah, we'll go do that real quick, and we'll see where Nathan's at by then. Alright, just got done loading the bales. Yeah, we had a change of setup. We got a new trailer and a new truck, and we are still at $37,000. And this took a long time, but we got it. And don't look at the truck and the wheat. Don't worry about that. We'll go park this here and run over there, and we'll go. I think it's full, so I think we'll go unload it. So yeah. Oh yeah, we got our farm sign put in. Don't hit the new brick. Oh my, that was a close one, but we got our Century Farm sign in for the farm. So yeah, that's what our farm's gonna be called. Yeah, that's. This truck does not have a very good turn radius, so yeah, we'll go unload this, and yeah, after this harvest we'll get pigs, lots of them. So yeah, we'll get an entire cattle trailer full of pigs, as much as it could hold, and we'll get I'm planning to get all piglets. Kind of like a feedlot, just fill them up, and yeah, that's kind of my plan. That's kind of my plan there. So we'll feed piglets in here, this building here, since they're smaller pens, and yeah, it'll just be easier to go, and yeah. And then once they get to like a certain age, we'll move them over to there where we can fatten them up, and yeah. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So yeah, that wheat on that wheat field is yielded so much better than on those other 2 wheat fields. But yeah, I think we're done. So we'll head back, and we hopefully we'll be done meat harvest. So yeah. Alright, just got back to the field here. We should probably start going baling here. Might have to move the truck, but we'll do that later. Or we'll probably have to do it now because it's in the way of the swath. Yeah. No, we could get around that. Yeah, we almost even have a bale here, so yeah. So yeah, we'll continue baling here. So yeah. Oh yeah, we'll continue baling here. See you guys. Or I'll see you guys later. Well, no, not. I'll see you guys when we're done this field. Alright, just unloaded Nathan. And yeah, we basically caught up to Nathan. We are now at a total of 15 bales and an 8 out of this field. So yeah, we are maybe more actually. Oh my, okay, wait. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bales here. We are at 17. We'll do one more load and we'll empty this truck out, and yeah, we'll see what we're doing from there. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get full. Alright, last bale before the trailer's full. Just unhooked the baler while Nathan's filling up. Wrong button. We will. I was just gonna put bales on the trailer, so we are almost done, and we'll do not. We're gonna have to put it straight here. Lift. This is risky. Here, that's for sure. Kind of even it, kind of level it there. Alright. Let's see here. Tell me if I'm doing this right. Like, is this how you guys load this kind of trailer, or is there a certain way I should be doing it? But this is just what I've been doing. This is what I find easiest, so. Lord. Okay. Well, maybe we... Can we fit another one on here? No, we can't. No, we cannot. Oh, we will. I don't know. Okay, yeah, well. We will actually push this side in further. Alright. We'll hook the trailer on and we'll go unload this. So yeah. Alright, just got back to the yard here. Unload these bales here. This little grass plot back here. Make sure we don't lose any. That's for sure. There we go. Gonna we'll do it right here. Should be good. A little bit more. Yeah, okay, I think that's good here. We will X. That looks good. Oh. Yep, I guess that's what we're doing. See you guys back at the field. Alright. just got loaded. Another full truck here, and we'll head back to grain bin. Alright, we are unloading here, and yeah. That should be hidden, but whatever. Well, I think this would be the end of the video, guys. I was hoping for a longer video, but there's lots of baling and stuff today, but next video we will start bean harvest and get going on that. So yeah, well, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.